What's going on, guys? Pilo here. Hey, so I'm back doing night shift over at work, and that gives me way better leeway, way better opportunity to do these videos for you guys. So let's go over the M1 dividend portfolio, which I know we haven't touched on in a long time. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, guys, so after logging in, we can tell that we are at 23,449 and 7 cents. We are up on this portfolio 20.03%. That is a plus 2,772 and 64 cents. Sorry, I'm a little out of breath here. I just hit up the gym. So a little insider or a little tip on what I did with my buying power. I've been slowly increasing it, and what I mean by that is I'm increasing the threshold. Everything above this amount needs to be invested, and slowly but surely I've been increasing it just so I can build up those cash reserves, just in case we have another pullback and I need to buy something or go all in or dollar cost average, whatever you name it. So let's go to the activity here real quick so we can see that today we had only 4 buys, right? And that was VUG, SPY, SVOL, and VYM. Now I don't know if the algorithm is playing it safe. We do have another week here, or another dramatic week. If we can call it that. We have the CPI data coming out on Wednesday. So I don't know if the algorithm is keeping it safe, but those are the buys that it did. And I think we had some dividends. Yep, we had some dividends come through on last week, right? And those dividends were from AGNC. I want to also go over this morning trading execution that we had. So we bought more SPY and more SVOL on the 9th, which, if I remember correctly, I think that was Friday. So we did sell out of OT. I don't like my OT position in this portfolio. Remember, in this portfolio, I'm trying to play it a little bit on the safer side. And from what I've seen from OT, it's not really I don't know, it's just not convincing, honestly, right? But I still hold it in some of my other portfolios just so I can, track it a little bit better instead of just, trying to look over it across different portfolios. And let's take a look at the portfolio here as a whole. So again, we are at 23,449 7 cents. We are up 2,772 and 64 cents. We have a market gain of, let's see, here we go, market gain of 502 and 71. Net cash flow of 22,946. We take that market gain, which has dropped significantly over the last couple of days, and that's because of that pullback we had last week. So if we pair that up, the market gain with our dividends earned, which is 2,269.93 cents, that's where we get that 27.72 and 64 cents total, giving us that rate of return for 20.03%. We are at 37 holdings in this portfolio. I'll say it again, that expense ratio 0.22 is a little bit on the high side, but I'm okay with it because that dividend yield, is 8.68. Now I do remember this dividend yield was a little bit above 10, and I do suspect that the reason why that came down was because of that OT position that we sold out of. But if you ask me, it is a great trade-off if we put those funds to work at something like SPY and SVOL. All right, so that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you need help with your portfolios, if you need help just looking over anything, you need that second pair of eyes, don't hesitate to hit me up. Just remember, I am not a professional, right? I'm just a guy on social media that loves dividend investing. So until next one, take care.